Hello friends and welcome back. In this video I'll be unboxing the Asus ROG 5 gaming smartphone. So I made a good friend of mine send me this video of the unboxing. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Without wasting much of your time here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get to the video. So when you first open the box, you are greeted with a small box that contains the SIM ejector tool and some manual booklet. You get a black case with some shape cut out in it. Then now the device itself. So I'll put this aside for now and let's see what we have in the box again. You also get a 65-watt hyper charging adapter and a Type-C to Type-C cable. Here's a quick review of the device. On this device, you get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5Gen chipset with Adreno 660 GPU running on Android 11 ROG UI. The Asus ROG 5 you see in this video has 128 gigs of internal storage together with 8 gigs of RAM. But you can also get this device with 12 gig of RAM, 256 gig internal storage or 16 gig of RAM, 256 gig internal storage. For the display on this device, you get a 6.78-inch AMOLED display together with 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ and 180p resolution, 6000 mAh battery with 65 watts fast charging support. So once you turn on the device, you need to scan the Armoury image on your product box to set up your device. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Share, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.